Today I will be showing you weaving in tails in garter stitch. The key to a good tail weave is that it doesn't show to the right side of the work, it doesn't come undone, and it allows the knitting to stretch in all directions. In garter stitch, we can work a modified duplicate stitch. When we worked our tail weave in stockinette stitch, we used duplicate stitch and we wove an S, a snake, through our purl bumps on the wrong side of the work. For garter, we can do the same thing, but we are using the visible purl bumps and we're not actually working duplicate stitch, which would make the knitting. So if I did actual duplicate stitch, I would come in, let me go down here. I would come in and I would follow the path of the yarn, which actually goes to the right side of the work before it comes down. And then down here, and then again, it goes here. Like so. But when I turn it to the right side, it is visible. Now, if you were working with your working yarn, this may not be that visible, but there would be a noticeable bulk showing to the right side of the work. And we don't want that. So instead, we will ignore the rows in between, and we will only work with the visible purl bumps. And we will come in to a frown, and we will pivot up and find the smile, which is actually 2 rows above, but I'm skipping the hidden row in between. The key with this is to work very loosely. And then I will follow this path and I'll go into this smile and then pivot down and go into that frown. And then I will follow this smile and come up in the next frown, pivot up, find the smile. Follow the frown, go into the smile, pivot and go into that frown. Like so. I'll go one more over. So follow the smile, go into the frown, pivot up, enter that smile. Now, from the right side of the work, you cannot see the tail weave, and it stretches and doesn't come undone. The key to allow this to stretch, because garter has very high amount of stretch vertically compared to stockinette, because of those corrugated rows, you need to work this quite loosely to make sure that there is room for that vertical stretch. So that is weaving in tails in garter stitch. Thanks for watching.